Sir, please.
I'd like to now call on stage, as I said, the heart of Brahmastra lies in our hearts for Nag Sir. Nag Sir has been, as I said, the strongest, most powerful energy on our film. We have only love and respect for you, sir. Thank you so much for everything you did for us, and we are truly grateful.
Thank you, Karan.
And sir, what would you have to say about your experience with the absolutely crazy Ayan Mukherjee?
He's like a little boy.
Yes, that no longer little, but
A little
yes.
boy, and his passion and the energy and what he gives to everybody on the set was just incredible, and it was infectious, actually.
But sir, you just brought so much energy yourself, and just collaborating with you and with Ranbir and Alia and everyone, how does it feel that you were the absolute favorite on set?
I am usually. No, it was very good. The love and respect everybody showed me, and they just took me into their hearts, and how they welcomed me onto the sets. It was just wonderful and made it so easy. So I had to reciprocate that. As simple as that.
Thank you again. We say we are humbled. Thank you for all the support you've given us. And your presence is magical. We can't wait for everyone to actually see the power of Nagarjuna sir on the 9th of September in Brahmastra as Nandi Astra. Already, well, the cat is out of the bag because of Rajamouli. So I'm just, trust me, if I get fired by Ayan, I'm just going to put it on you, Rajamouli sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Can I say a few more words?
Yes, please.
Yeah, okay, thank you. All right. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. బాంబే నుంచి నార్త్ నుంచి వచ్చిన మీడియా మిత్రులకి, టు ద ప్రెస్ ఫ్రమ్ ద నార్త్ అండ్ ఆల్సో మన మీడియా మిత్రులకి అందరికీ నమస్కారం. అండ్ ఐ వాజ్ రియలీ, నేను ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడతాను అందరికీ అర్థమయ్యేటట్టు. ఐ వాజ్ రియలీ లుకింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ ఫర్ టుడేస్ ఈవెంట్, ఎస్పెషలీ నంది గారు దాన్ని చేశారు అంటే ఎలా ఉంటుందో అని రకరకాలుగా ఊహించుకున్నాను అది. అండ్ తారక్ వస్తున్నాడు అక్కడికి, అండ్ తారక్ వస్తుంటే ఆ క్రేజు, ఆ ఫ్యాన్స్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అన్నీ మనసులో ఊహించుకున్నాను. తారక్ ఇవాళ సెప్టెంబర్ 2వ తారీఖు. ఇవాళ నా అన్న బర్త్డే, నా అన్న హరికృష్ణ గారి బర్త్డే. నందమూరి తారక రామారావు గారు బిడ్డ, ఆయన బిడ్డ నందమూరి తారక రామారావు గారు ఇక్కడ కూర్చున్నారు. సో వీళ్ళిద్దరి ముందు, ఈ బిడ్డ ముందు నా అన్నకు ఒకసారి హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే చెప్పుకుంటాను. సో హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే అన్న. అండ్ రాజమౌళి గారు ఈ సినిమాని ప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నారంటే ఊరికే అట్లా కాదు. నాట్ జస్ట్ లైక్ దాట్ హీఈస్ ప్రజెంటింగ్. Ayan has already told in the script almost 4 years back, and I think he really enjoyed the script, and maybe he made up his mind at that point to do it. And he's been part of the journey all along. And I'm so happy. అంటే నేను అనుకునేవాడిని రాజమౌళి గారు ఒక్కరే 3 సంవత్సరాలు 4 సంవత్సరాలు సినిమా తీస్తారు, నంది గారు దాన్ని చెక్కుతూ ఉంటారు, అందుకనే ఆయనకి జక్కన్న అని పేరు వచ్చింది. ఐ థాట్ he's one of the few people who really takes care of his film so much. But then I realized he found his disciple in Ayan Mukherjee, who's been doing the same thing. And yesterday, just like Tarak said, he sent a lot of apologies that why he's not coming and all things. I said, Ayan, the film is bigger than everything. Forget this. The film is bigger than everything. Just take care of the film and everything will be all right. And I'm sure he's doing that. And I really, really feel from what I've seen in Brahmastra, it's going to be a spectacle. Everybody, Prime Focus has said that, and Disney has said that, and they all said that, and I've seen the film. It's going to be a wonderful journey for all of you. A visual experience, a visual treat, spectacular on screens, and you should see it only on screens. And let me talk about Mauni Roy. Mauni Roy was there in the film with us. She was really, really, what do you say, very dynamic, or she had to face all these super forces. There was this girl facing all these super forces. She was fantastic in the film. Mauni, really enjoyed working with you. And what do I say these two people that I've seen them from my childhood, their childhood, not my childhood, their childhood. No, they have been my colleagues in these films, and I think we crossed the borders of age and everything, and we became friends. It was wonderful knowing them. And like Tarak said, they are one of the most incredible talents in this country right now, both of them, Ranbir and Alia. And it's incredible that they both got attracted to each other. What do you say to that? And from all the Telugu people, from all the people on the stage, from everybody I know, we wish that you're going to have a beautiful child, and who's going to be bigger than both of you together. We bless you with that. And Karan, I also known you as a young kid. Not so young. But I remember Karan, and we had gone to Seychelles, right? Long time ago. Yeah, I remember Karan, and Karan, you know how to pick the talent. You know how to give them the project. You know how to market it. And you know how to put them on the pedestal. Fantastic, Karan. You're doing a great thing for the Indian film industry. And now you and Nandi sir becoming together, like you said, you have taken it to the next level. And Madhavan sir, I'm glad you're part of this. And Vikram, yeah. Thank you for being, all of you being a part of it. And I realized that I read somewhere, and I realized this is going to be the most largest Indian film ever released. This is going to be the largest and the most screened Indian film ever released till now all over the world. And congratulations to you, Karan, for that. And Ayan, I really miss you. I wish you were here. But the film is bigger than everything. Go for it, my... Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, Karan.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.